Hello, this is Becky Lipnick, Communications Coordinator at the Magnusson Group. Today, I'm here to show you how to use our new and improved estate sale entry form. We're going to be looking at how to use the form once it is live. If you try to register for a number before the form is live, you're going to see a message saying registration is not open. Okay, the first thing you do is you go to the magnussongroup.com and click on the appropriate estate sale listing. Right now I'm on a sample estate sale listing page. You then scroll down to the section about the entry form numbers. You click on sign up for entry number. That's going to take you to the registration form page. Now I input the correct information. Note that I'm using my full name. Then you simply hit register. At this point, you will receive a confirmation email in your inbox, which you must bring to the estate sale along with your photo ID. If you're signing up another person, you can hit the back button and simply input their name under the full name category. Remember, 1 ticket per person. Thank you for using Magnusson Estate Services. We wish you the best of luck at future estate sales.